Hello! There is no doubt that artists have always been inspired by nature, and so today I want to share a few projects with you that you can make in your own backyard. I've gathered up a few random things that I just found in my yard today, and I'm going to use those to make a design using radial symmetry. That means that everything bursts forth from a center point. To make it easy, I'm using the stone as my center point, and I'm going to just repeat things around the stone to make it symmetrical. Remember, symmetrical means it's like a mirror. It's the same on both sides. But if I'm talking about radial symmetry, that means that it is all the same, bursting forth from the same center point. So whatever I do in this section, I have to repeat all the way around. Artists like Andy Goldsworthy are great at things like this. They go find items out in nature and they just really, I think I'll put that right on top, they just really go to town and do some cool stuff. And I would encourage you, when you're finished, to look him up with your parents' help and just see some of the amazing things that he's done. Let's see here. I hope you enjoyed the project for today, making natural art, and be sure to look up Andy Goldsworthy, and maybe you'll be inspired to try something even more extravagant in the future. See ya!